Hello. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale SuperX Force 1 2020 model year. Unmatched traction, huge mud clearance, and confident charge any line handling make this ultra-light machine the ultimate race rig for today's cross courses. This bike equipped with a BallisTec Carbon frame and reliable fork BallisTec Carbon and SRAM Force 1 high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as SRAM Force 1 HRD. Cannondale SuperX Force 1 equipped with good tires Vittoria Terreno Mix TNT. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.